Hi, my name's Gary Brooks, and I'm going to show you how to check on SSL on a Joomla site. One of the things people do is they get SSL installed on their site, and they're not really sure how to make it work or what you're supposed to do with it. One thing you want to validate is that you can type HTTPS and type in the kind of URL just like this, and you will notice that you get an error. Well, if the hosting company tells you that they installed SSL, there's a way to check if SSL is installed. First of all, you want to make sure that you got the right URL. SSLs do work on www or non-www, so when you purchase the SSL certificate, there's something called the common name, and you would have done it with www or non-www. In this case, you notice that the site did push it to www and forced it. Well, I want to check on that and say, well, it seems like the site's not working on SSL. So the way to check it is you can actually get an image on that hosting path and just check the image itself, because we know that we can authenticate an image easy, just one image rather than a whole application. In this case, I went through and I took the URL and I took out the www, knowing that this SSL certificate has a non-www, and I typed the path to an image. Now you can do this with any image, and it doesn't really matter what path. It could be just an image in your root folder or just any location. But this does tell me that the SSL certificate is installed properly. And what this tells me over here is that the SSL certificate is I know it's here. Potentially I could try to delete the www and see if it renders properly and I get the proper secure certificate signal from the browser. Well, that's an issue. So the way to identify is I use Chrome. I don't know how many other browsers have this feature. You'll have to search around. Probably Firefox has it. Is up in the corner of Chrome is this little tool. It looks like a wrench. Go to the wrench, scroll down to something called Tools, and go over to this Developer Tools. Open that up. It's going to open up a console where if you're a developer you'll understand this more, but one of the unique tools here is this. When you're checking out for SSL, you can click on this console tool right here. And what I notice on this site is it's telling me is that the reason SSL is not working for some of the things is it says, first of all, it says resource interpreted, and it looks like this could be a font issue where we're pulling content from another site for fonts and it's not authenticated HTTPS. If you're calling an external resource from your site that's not on your site, for example, sometimes people install Google Analytics or they install some analytics package and they don't install the HTTPS version. Like here's one. It says this is this page at insecure content because it's pulling it from http ajax.googleapis.com. So they need to set it up so your external resource, this Google API, is being called from HTTPS rather than normal HTTP. Once you go through and fix all these issues, you should be able to authenticate the site properly on HTTPS. The key here, the key to make sure that you're working on the proper playing field, is that you can at least authenticate an image to verify that this the secure URL is working properly. If you have any questions, we do help you with these types of services at cloudaccess.net.